Join me as I tackle the craziest earwax buildup I've ever seen and see if I can handle the grossness. Earwax buildup, it's a topic that's often misunderstood, and today we're going to dive into the surprising truth behind this common issue that affects millions of people worldwide. Excessive earwax buildup is a serious problem that can lead to a range of complications, from mild discomfort to severe hearing loss. The worst part is that many people don't even realize they have a problem until it's too late. Earwax buildup can cause a significant decrease in hearing ability, and in severe cases, it can even lead to tinnitus, vertigo, and ear infections. If left untreated, the buildup can become so severe that it requires surgical intervention, which is a prospect that no one wants to face. One of the main reasons earwax buildup becomes a problem is that people don't understand how to properly clean their ears. Using cotton swabs or other objects to dig out earwax can actually push the wax further into the ear canal, making the problem worse. Additionally, using harsh chemicals or ear candles can cause damage to the delicate skin inside the ear, leading to irritation and infection. The key to preventing earwax buildup is to understand how the ear works and how to properly care for it. The ear is a delicate and intricate system that's designed to self-clean. The ear canal produces earwax, a natural substance that traps dirt, dust, and other debris, preventing them from entering the ear. However, if the ear is not properly cleaned, the earwax can build up and cause problems. One of the main reasons this happens is because people don't understand how to properly clean their ears. They may use the wrong techniques or products, which can push the wax further into the ear canal, making the problem worse. The worst part is that earwax buildup can happen to anyone, regardless of their age or hygiene habits. Even people who follow proper ear care techniques can still experience buildup, which is why it's so important to be aware of the signs and symptoms. If you're experiencing hearing loss, ear pain, or a feeling of fullness in your ear, it's essential to seek medical attention to rule out any underlying conditions. Okay, it's time for the main event. We're going to remove the worst earwax buildup I've ever seen, and I have to warn you, it's not for the faint of heart. The tools we're using are specifically designed for earwax removal, and the person involved is aware of the risks and has given their consent. So, let's get started. As you can see, the earwax buildup is significant, and it's going to take some work to remove it. The first step is to use an ear irrigator to gently flush out the ear canal. This is a delicate process, and it requires a lot of care to avoid causing any damage. Okay, now let's take a look inside the ear canal using our specialized camera. Oh my, that's a lot of earwax. We're making progress, but this is definitely the worst earwax buildup I've ever seen. The good news is that the person involved is doing great, and we're almost there. Alright, let's take a final look inside the ear canal, and wow, what a difference! In today's video, we've explored the surprising truth behind earwax buildup, and we've seen the dramatic removal of the worst earwax buildup I've ever seen. The key takeaway is that earwax buildup is a serious issue that requires proper care and attention. By understanding how the ear works and how to properly clean it, you can prevent buildup and maintain good ear health. If you've had any experiences with earwax buildup, leave a comment below and let us know what you think. Don't forget to check out our other video on ear hygiene tips and tricks, and I'll see you in the next video. Hygiene